Welcome to the AK2 Digital Education. Myself, Professor D.S. Rai, Professor and Head Department of Civil Engineering, BBD ITM. Today topic is intersection. The reference books that we have taken are mainly Highway Engineering by Khanna and Jesto and Introduction to Traffic Engineering by R. Srinivas Kumar. Others book are also considered from different points. Today topic contents are intersection at a grade, unchannelized intersection, channelized intersection, grade separator intersections. We will discuss one by one. Classification of intersection. Classification of intersections at a grade. At a grade means when all roads are meeting at a same level, approximately same level. So, that intersection will be at a grade intersection. When one road meets with other with certain height or certain elevation, in that case grade separated intersection is formed. At grade intersection there are T intersections, means three-way intersections, Y intersections, four-way intersection where two roads cross, four-way intersections, multiple way intersection and round about. These are the intersection meeting at the same level. Grade separated intersection that are comprised with underpass, because both roads are crossing each other with a certain elevation, certain height, certain vertical distance. So, that could be cross each other by underpass, then overpass, then trumpet interchanges, diamond interchanges, clover leaf interchanges, partial clover leaf interchanges, directional interchanges, bridge rotaries. These are the different classifications. Now, intersection at grade. All road intersection which meet at about the same level, allowing traffic maneuver like merging, diverging, crossing, waving are called intersection at grade. The basic requirement of intersection at grade are: area of conflict should be as small as possible. The speed of approaching vehicles should be small. Adequate visibility of vehicle approaching to the intersection. Sudden change of path should be avoided. Turning radius and width of the pavement should be adequately provided. Proper sign should be provided on the road approach to warn the driver. Intersection. Other requirements are: good lighting at the night is desirable. Separate provision should be made for their safe passage in intersection with high volume of fast moving traffic if the number of pedestrians and cyclists are large. If the cyclists and pedestrians are large, then they have to give separate provision on the intersection. Forms of intersection: this is the T junction, this is a crossroad, this is a Y junction, this is the scissors SQ cross, SQ junction, staggered junction, staggered and SQ junction, and multi-leg junction. These are the forms of intersection. Unchannelized and channelized intersection. Unchannelized, the intersectional area is paved and there is absolutely no restriction to the vehicle to use any part of intersectional area. Means if there is no any construction on the roadway and vehicle has no restriction to use any part of the intersectional area. Hence, the unchannelized intersection are lowest class of intersection. It is the lowest class of intersection, and this will cause chances of accident. Now, channelized intersection. Channelized intersection is achieved by introducing island into the intersectional area, thus reducing the total conflict area available in the channelized intersection. The radius of entrance and exit curve and the area are suitably designed to accommodate channelized island of proper size and shape. Conflict points, see here, these are the two roads meeting at an intersection. This is the diagram. Say, suppose the vehicle coming from this area, vehicle may go to right, may go straight or left turn. So, see here, what are the conflict points? First, the conflict may occur with the traffic coming from the other's road. So, this is the point. The vehicle coming and going to right turn may be the point of conflict. So, this is the point. Others road have same thing, this is the point, conflict point here, a state to a conflict point is here, and finally, this is the conflict point at here. So, you see total 32 conflict points are here, out of which 8 are diverged, 8 merged, 16 cross. For the Y junction, as same, the total conflict points are 9, 3 diverge, 3 merge and 3 cross. This is the diagram of unchannelized section. This is the T junction. See here, traffic is coming and going like this way, is it? Here, traffic is coming like and going like this way. This is going like this way. So, this is the T junction. This is also a T junction. This is the cross section. Here one road is wider than the others, means one road have more length than the other, then the condition will be like this way. This is a SQ road meeting with the others. Channelized intersection. Then to channelize the traffic, islands are constructed to channelize the traffic, and this will reduce the number of conflicts. This is the T junction, this is the cross section, here is a islands, 4 islands on the side of the road and one central island. So, this will decrease the number of conflict point on the intersection. This is the same thing that we have already discussed, different types of conflicts, merging, diverging, crossing. This is a typical design of T junction. This is, you see here, this is the median, means island, this is driveway, cross slope, side cross, this is island. This is the intersection angle, roadway, drive, way, threshold. So, in this way, we can construct the islands at T junction. These are the different names that are used on the T junction. Now, come to the grade separated intersection. Grade separated intersection design is highest form of intersection. This is the highest form of intersection. A highway grade separator is achieved by means of vertical level. Separation of intersecting road by means of, how can we separate them? So, one is overbridge, means one road is allowed to cross through bridge and other roads may use at the ground level. Underbridge, same thing. Ramps, ramps is constructed to meet the requirement of vertical levels. Direct, semi-direct and direct separations are allowed. See here, this is the direct, means vehicle is, this is the higher level and this is the lower level. So, this will go like this way. This is direct, this is semi-direct, means vehicle is allowed to mix like this way. So, this is called semi-direct. And indirect means traffic is rotate like this way and then merge into the stream of others road. We are discussing about the advantages of the grade separator. The one of the major advantage is avoids necessity of stopping. means there is no restriction at all on the both side of the road. So, a stopping is absolutely not necessary in grade separator. Avoid accident while crossing, because both direction traffic are moving with a different height. So, there is no collision or head on collision on the highway. So, one of the major cause of accident is head collision is avoided in grade separator. Because there is a different method to cross the vehicle from one road to another, merge or diverge or cross, there is a separate lanes. So, safety for the turning traffic. There is no collision between the two traffic. Increase in comfort and convenience to motorist, because of course, the quality of highway is much better than others road. So, if there is a passage of traffic at a different level, then the passenger will experience comfort and convenient, saving in travel time and operational cost. If there is a no stoppage, then the time will save. Everybody has to hurry to go to their home. So, if there is no stoppage, then travel time will be saved. As the travel time will save, then the operational cost will also reduce. POL will reduce. Grade separator is essential part of controlled access highway. Generally, controlled access highway is called expressway, where on that road the access is provided at some particular points. Means no vehicles, nothing will allow to ride on the road without the controlled point. Generally, the height of expressway is nearly more than 2 meter above, and 2 meter above no vehicles no will be able to cross the road. So, controlled access road is generally called expressway, like Jamuna Expressway or Greenfield Expressway. So, the great expressway is now in need of a people to save themselves in many ways. Now, there is a more advantage, then there is some disadvantages also. Because the infrastructures used to construct, then this is a very costly affair. Undesirable crust, costly, difficult, undesirable in case of limited right of way area. but generally the access controlled highway is aligned outside of the city or outside of the habitations. You know, generally the important road, suppose there is a crossing of expressway and national highway, then the expressway is allowed to cross the national highway at the same level, and national highway is allowed to cross either above or below the expressway. So, this is the example. This is underpass for this road and overpass for this road. The one of the most provided facility available on this type of road is partial clover leaf. You see, traffic coming from this road the traffic of this road wants to travel on this road, that vehicle can take a left turn directly. Traffic coming from this road and want to merge to this road, so this will directly merge into the main stream of this traffic of this road. Likewise, traffic coming from this road and want to merge into the main road, they can merge into the main stream. But if a space is limited, means for clover leaf extra lands are required and cost of land is too costly today. So, anyone wants to avoid such type of a structure, but necessity is also there. So, partial clover leaf are considered. Traffic coming from this road and want to merge into the lower one, they can go like this way. Again, traffic coming from this road and wants to go, they can go like this way. So, there is 1 and 2 clover leaf are there, rest are adjusted. Now, come to the full clover leaf. Full clover leaf is the modern grade separator which are used all over the world. But full clover leaf intersections are required more land and compensation of land is too high. But for the quality of grade separator, this may be adjusted. This is a bird eye views of a full clover leaf. two roads are coming, are crossing each other, both are of two lanes. To avoid any type of conflict, first of all we consider left turn. Traffic coming from this route and wants to meet in a stream of this route. So, this vehicle will directly merge into this stream. Likewise, the traffic coming from this road and wants to merge into this stream, then this vehicle will directly merge into the stream of this road. Likewise, the traffic coming from this side and wants to merge into this road. So, this will merge into the stream of traffic of this road. So, all left turn vehicle will merge automatically in other road without any conflict. Now, come to the vehicle taking right turn. So, in this case a clover leaf, a structure like this is prepared. The vehicle is allowed to move uniformly to this and finally merge into the stream. Vehicle coming from this route will finally merge into the traffic of this stream. Likewise, all vehicle will merge into the desired stream without any collision, and this is, you can say, a ideal grade separator. Presently, it is used in many countries of the world, and this is the highest type of infrastructure for the merging traffic stream of roads at a different levels. So, this is all about the intersection. Okay, sir. Thank you very much.